3 businesses that will not fail in 2025. Welcome to Business for Profits, where we discuss profitable business, price, location, and best strategy for the business. Welcome. 3 businesses that will not start in 2025. Number one, land business. Land business. Land business will not fail in 2025. Why? Demand is increasing. Population is growing. And also, depending on location, yes, you have to choose a strategic location. You just buy and keep, and after a while, you sell. It can be very simple depending on the strategy you use. Land business will not fail in 2025. Number 2, transport business. And I'm referring to hire purchase. You buy a vehicle, you give it to someone to use it every day. Every day. You need someone to use, and the person will be getting your money every week. You'll have calculated your interest plus the amount you purchase, calculate together and give to the person. After the person finish paying, the person owes the vehicle. However, there will be agreement between both of you. If you collecting your money every week, is a good business. In number 3, the third one is farm business. Farm business, food business. Locate a farm where they are producing resources that people need to eat, collect from them, and give to the final consumers. Simple. Or get it from them and give it to sellers in the market. There are sellers who might want to test themselves, so you go to the farm. You just take it from the farm and take it to the sellers, and they sell. You sell in bulk. And I must tell you, try any of these 3 business. And you're going to do this business, but you cannot stand alone. You can partner with us. We are really for partnership. You can partner with us. Try this business and enjoy yourself in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. See you next time. Bye.